All right, let's talk about need-based attorney's fees, which is 2030 Family Code section, versus sanction-based attorney's fees, Code section 271. So need-based attorney's fees is granted in family law when one spouse is earning significantly more money than the other spouse. Remember, it's not in civil court. There is no prevailing party attorney's fees, meaning if you win, you get your attorney's fees. That doesn't work like that. It's who is making more money, significantly more. And in order to know who is making more money, we look at either tax returns the year prior. We also compare two most recent pay stubs. And as you know, tax returns will show income from all sources, rental income, RSU, stock, all sources. And the sanction-based attorney's fees are granted against people who are intentionally not attending mediation, who are filing frivolous motions, who are not providing documents the other side is requesting, who are not cooperating in the process in a reasonable manner. So, over litigating, things like that. I had cases where the spouse, so the spouse who was making money was not making enough to pay for his or her attorney's fees. The other spouse was making very little, and the judge ordered the spouse who was not making enough to pay his or her own attorney's fees, ordered to take a loan, even credit card loan, whatever it takes, take a loan to pay the other spouse's attorney's fees. That was somewhat, surprising to me. And I think the reason for that probably is thanks to Morton case of 2018 case of appeal, where it says the court has no discretion in a final determination of attorney, meaning not at the beginning of the case, but maybe even after. So in that case, it was when after the trial, when everything was divided, the judge failed to award attorney's fees because in that case, wife received sufficient amount of assets. However, because the disparity in income was so high, the court still should have awarded, so said the Court of Appeal, attorney's fees to wife because of the discrepancy, the difference in income. So, in another case I had in San Francisco was where husband made 10 times more. The judge on a second request for attorney's fees denied because he was owing his attorney's fees, and wife was able to accumulate funds. I'm not going to say how much, but she was able to accumulate 10 times her salary of funds to, she had a low salary, but she was still able to save, but he has 10x, but he was in debt, and the judge denied it. So in cases like that, it tends to lead towards wife not being able to settle or go to trial because she would have to liquidate her last sort of savings to get justice or to even equalize any asset distribution. So the process of getting this is, as always, FL 300, request for order. And I might have to do another video how to do it, but this video is only about what it is, so you understand two types of attorney's fees in family court. I hope that was helpful. Click like if you like it, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.